Are you trying to decide between OptimizePress and Landingi to build your landing pages, but not sure which one is right for you? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of both, and by the end, you'll know which one fits your needs, or whether there's a better alternative that might be perfect for your goals. Let's start with OptimizePress. It's been around for a while and is a popular choice, especially for WordPress users. One of its main selling points is how it integrates seamlessly with WordPress, making it an easy pick for anyone already using that platform. You get a lot of customization options, from pre-built templates to an intuitive drag-and-drop editor. However, there's a catch. Although it's customizable, you might find some of the design flexibility limited when compared to other competitors, which can make it harder to create really unique landing pages. Next thing, let's talk about Landingi. This tool focuses entirely on landing pages, so it's more streamlined than OptimizePress in terms of its user interface. Landingi offers some impressive templates, and the drag-and-drop editor is user-friendly and intuitive. It allows you to create landing pages without needing coding skills. However, while the platform is easy to use, its flexibility isn't as robust as OptimizePress. If you want more advanced customization or integrations, you might feel a bit restricted. It's great for basic landing pages, but it might not be the best choice if you need something more complex. The third thing to consider is the pricing. OptimizePress has a one-time fee, which can be appealing if you're looking for a lifetime deal. But the catch here is that you have to pay for updates and support separately, which could add up in the long run. On the other hand, Landingi operates on a subscription model, which gives you access to all features and updates as part of the ongoing cost. The subscription model can be a deal breaker for some, especially if you prefer paying upfront and getting long-term value. The fourth thing is integrations. Both platforms offer a decent number of integrations with other tools like email marketing services and CRMs. However, OptimizePress is stronger in the sense that it works with a wider range of WordPress plugins and external tools. Landingi, while good, doesn't offer quite as many options, especially if you need deeper integrations with advanced third-party services. The fifth thing to consider is performance and speed. Landing page speed is crucial, as a slow-loading page can result in lost conversions. Both OptimizePress and Landingi offer optimized templates, but in terms of overall page performance, Landingi tends to have the edge here. Its cloud-based platform is designed to load pages quickly, which is a huge advantage in a competitive online space. The sixth and final point is customer support. OptimizePress offers good customer service, but it's only available through support tickets and their knowledge base. If you need quick assistance, that might be a downside. Landingi, however, offers a more hands-on approach with chat support and phone options, which can be a big benefit if you're looking for faster resolutions to your issues. Now, while both OptimizePress and Landingi are solid choices, they have their limits. Based on what I've tried myself, there's actually a better alternative out there for creating high-converting landing pages, and it doesn't come with the downsides of these two platforms. If you want a more powerful solution, with better features and an easier user experience, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description below. By using my link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to my viewers, so don't miss out on that opportunity. In conclusion, while both OptimizePress and Landingi have their strengths, they're not without their flaws. If you're looking for something more advanced and efficient, I highly recommend giving the alternative a try. Just check out the link in the description to see what I'm talking about.